Ugh. My birthday party is tomorrow, and this place looks so basic. At least I have the perfect party favors. Aren't you perfect, little baby cakesies? Give me those sugar gliders! They're mine!
Not yours. They're wild, and you can't have them back, because we're taking them back to their home.
Oh, you don't understand. I need the sugar gliders. They're the party favors for my birthday.
Wait! You cannot give these sugar gliders as party favors. They're not yours. They're wild. It's a terrible idea.
It's a great idea. Brooklyn is coming to the party. If she doesn't love everything about it, I'm socially dead.
Aw, Patty, I'm sure your friend doesn't care what you give out at the party. She just wants to celebrate with you.
You think?
It is I, and I have arrived.
Brooklyn! But the party's not till tomorrow. Why is she here? Why?